Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the new deals, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. First markdown are these wedges from Time & True. They have the square toe, that knotted detail, the little buckled with the wedge. Comes in white, also in the gold. In store, the white's on sale for $11, the gold's on sale for $13. Online, they're both on sale for $8.40. These crossband sandals from Time & True are not on sale in store, but they are online. They have the round toe, that little crisscross detail, has the Velcro around the ankle. It says they're so comfortable. They have the flexible outsole. It's what the bottoms look like. Originally $19.98, and online right now they're on sale for $12.21. They usually have these marked down on and off, so don't wait because they might change the price anytime, but some of the colors and sizes in the Madden NYC Western boots are on sale. These have the pointed toe, chunky heel, zipper on the inside. They have a whole bunch of different color combos. Originally $36, and right now they're on sale for $28.80. That dress from Free Assembly. This one has that elastic around the neckline. It's stretchy, and then the smock sleeve. The material is a poplin. It's flowy with the drop tier, and then the keyhole in the back. And on sale for $13.44, regularly $28. Halter neck sweaters are on sale from Time & True. So these have that rounded neckline. They're sleeveless, ribbed bottom, that seam fit through the back. Online they have different colors, so in the store they have rust, green, and ivory. Online they have white, black, and pink. Originally $13.98, they're now on sale for $8. New sleeveless dress from Time & True. So this one has that V neckline, the little shoulder detailed sleeveless, has the drawstring in the waist with the drop tier. That same kind of fit through the back in the burgundy. Also comes in olive and solid black. On sale for $12.44. I just ordered this jacket online. Certain sizes are as low as $15. So it's from Scoop. It has that oversized collar zip. It's a crop fit with the 2 flat pockets. Relaxed through the wrist. I'm pretty sure all sizes are marked down. They're originally $28. In store it's marked down to $21. So like I said, small I think is like $15. There's an extra small might be $14 and change, but the quality on these is so nice. A lot of the Time & True graphic tees are on sale for under $6. So they have that crew neckline, their relaxed fit. There's a lot of different options. Originally $9.98. Dress in a long sleeve option. So this one isn't mock neck, it's a scoop neck, but it's that same kind of flowy swing fit with the seam detail in the orange, like rust, also in the black, and they're $13.98. Mock neck dress from Time & True. So this one has that higher neckline, sleeveless. It kind of flows out in the black, also comes in the beige, and they're on sale for $9.73. So new flutter sleeve dress from Time & True. This one has that ruffling around the neckline, that V with the flutter sleeve, that seam detailing under the bust, nice and flowy. This is the gauze material with the drop tier, and this one on sale for $12.59. New dress from No Boundary. So these have the scoop neckline. It has that flutter sleeve. It's nice and flowy in the blue, kind of looks like a paisley, and the black. And then solid in the rust and the olive. And these are on sale for $11.19. And then also new off-the-shoulder dresses from Time & True. So these have that elastic, the balloon sleeve, nice and flowy, and this green. They also have this denim. Hopefully these popped up online. When they had this style for summer, they weren't available. On sale for $12. New satin button-down shirts from Scoop. So these have that mid-size collar, full button, the seam detailing going across. Also has the banded with the bell sleeve. It's a relaxed fit with the seam in the back in the ivory. Also comes in black. On sale for $13. With this cargo skirt from Scoop. It's high-rise. It has the cargo pockets, a little faded with the slit in the front. The same kind of fit through the back. On sale for $16.80. One tops from Free Assemblies have the elastic around the neckline. There is this ruche detailing. It's a balloon sleeve with the smocking, and then it's a relaxed fit with the little slits in the side and then a keyhole in the back. This one is going to be on sale for $9.39. My neck top we saw earlier also comes in this black and white polka dot, and it's also $20. Also new cargo pant from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband. It's a twill material. That side pocket with the jogger, or you could do a straight leg bottom. There is that sateen look. And then the back has the flat pockets. A parachute jogger, ankle length. And it comes in the camel, also in that olive. And on sale for $10.54. Sweater dresses from Free Assembly. So they have that higher neckline. They're sleeveless, fitted through the body. It's a midi length. That same kind of fit through the back. And then the white trim detailing at the top. And then also on the sides in the green and white. Also in black and white. And they are going to be sale for $13.49. From Sofia Vergara. So this one has that wrap style front, elastic on the wrist. It's a relaxed fit. I guess they're getting ready for fall with the smocking in the back. In this brown floral, also comes in the solid black. And on sale for $16.32. In this acid wash dress. So these have that crew neckline, the one pocket, nice longer sleeve. We saw it in the tie-dye, so now they have these new vintage wash colors in the black. There's also pink. They have rust and navy. And they're on sale for $8.32. Also added these lace tops to the website. So they have the thicker strap, scoop neckline, lace up through the front, scoops in the back. They also come in black, and they're on sale for $6.99. Mock neck tops from Sofia. So these have that higher neckline, the dolman sleeve. These are super soft and stretchy with the ruching on the side. The same kind of fit through the back. In the black, also comes in white. And on sale for $8.48. Denim dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the thick strap, scoop neckline, seam detailing under the bust. It's also squared in the back in the acid wash black. Also in that mid-tone denim. And on sale for $10.70. Striped tees from No Boundaries. These have that V neckline. It's faux Henley buttons, the cap sleeve, fitted through the front and the back in the black with the green. They also have the red with the black. And on sale for $4.46. I think these are, I'm not sure if they're nightgowns or dresses. They're in the pajama section, but they say No Boundaries on the tag. So they have the thin strap, the elastic trim, the little bow detail. It's a pointel knit about knee length with the lettuce trim at the bottom. And then it's squared in the back. And the mauve floral also comes in black. There's the purple with the little hearts and the light blue. And they're on sale for $4.20. So new tank and short sets of these are also in the pajama section. So these have the thin strap, this little tie front. It's flowy, so it looks like up close. And then the shorts have that smock waistband. And the plum also comes in this white and pink. And the two pieces are on sale for $8.08. Are these vests from Sofia Vergara. It is a denim material, has a full button, the seam detail, a little like triangled bottom with the seam detailing in the back in the green, and on sale for $14. New denim dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that V neckline, the flutter sleeve, elastic under the bust, and then it's flowy and tiered all the way down, has the side pockets that seam fit through the back. And these are on sale in the black for $15. So you guys, they have so much. I'm in a Florida Walmart, and you guys were worried we wouldn't have a lot, but I don't think I've ever seen this many new pieces in one store. This new denim jacket is from Celebrity Pink. It has the mid-size collar, tortoise buttons, the two pockets, button on the wrist, shorter through the front, has a little bit of length through the back. I love the light denim. Then they also have this darker indigo, and on sale for $10.50. Also new floral dress from Time and True. This one has that V neckline, the little ruffle trim, also the flutter sleeve elastic at the waist, a flowy skirt with the belt, and then that same fit through the back. In the green with the orange flowers, also comes in black with the pink, and they're on sale for $13.79. Cargo jeans from Gloria Vanderbilt. These are high rise. They have the seam detail, flat pockets, relaxed to the leg, and then pockets on the back. In the dark indigo, also comes in the olive, and these are going to be on sale for $14.84. New polka dot button down top from Gloria Vanderbilt. These have that smaller collar, full button, the little tab sleeve has the button detail with the seam across the back. And I think this one also comes in white, and then I also saw it in a stripe, and they're on sale for $16. We also brought back the Time and True denim jackets. These have the mid-size collar, full button, the two flat pockets with the button on the wrist, side pockets down below, really good seam detail. They have the mid-tone denim. They also have the dark indigo and the black. On sale for $15.78. Have a new style in the maxi length skirts from No Boundaries. These have that nice waistband, fitted through the body, longer length. They're maxi length with the slit. They're soft and stretchy. And the brown also comes in black. 2-pack is on sale for $5.95. Colors in my favorite seamless tops. These are short sleeve. And then, yeah, they're all short sleeves. So they have that plunging V. It's ribbed through the front and the back. They are a little shorter, but not like fully cropped. In the white, they have the Merlot, kind of red. There's a taupe, rust, and black. The 2-pack is on sale for $6.93. Also new croc style sports bra from Avia. The material on this is super soft. It has the double strap, scoop neckline, the removable pads, and then how pretty is the back with the little cutout. And this one is going to be on sale for $8.97. New tie front crochet tank from No Boundaries. This one has the thicker strap, the little tie detail, scallop pointail trim at the bottom. This one's a lot softer than the tank we saw earlier. In the ivory, also in the black. And on sale for $4.50. This is from No Boundaries. I love that green print. Has the thin strap, that V neckline. It's a wrap style, has the slit on the side, and then crisscrosses in the back. In the blue, also comes in the green snakeskin. And they are on sale for $5.26. Longer length skirt. This one also comes with the tube top. So nice for the price. Has that elastic waistband pull on. It's a scuba material, so it is a little on the thicker end. And then it does have the little slit. So that's what it looks like on the inside. The two pieces are on sale for $7.49. Gal style top from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, the little tie front, tie in the waist, really pretty. It's embroidered, super soft and stretchy. I'd probably size up one, but it's that same fit through the back. Comes in the white, also in the red. On sale for $6.99. I'm gonna go with the longer skirt from No Boundaries. So these have that elastic waistband. These are super soft and stretchy. Comes in the green, black. There's black and white floral and the blue floral. They're only on sale for $6.55 for the 2-pack. Slide sandals. So these have a memory foam bottom, the cushion slide, in this new purple color. I think these are the women's. And then for men, they have the black and the gray. And they're on sale for $9. From Time and True. So this one has the V neckline, flutter sleeve. It's a nice lightweight kind of gauze material. Seam detailing under the bust, nice and flowy with the elastic going all the way around the back. In the light yellow stripe, also comes in this blue and white stripe. And then in the linen texture, they have this watercolor print. So lots of trends, the blue, the yellow, the watercolor, and then also solid black in that gauze kind of material. On sale for $7.83. In these halter neck t-shirt dresses from Time and True. So they have that higher neckline. It has this rope detail. It's a super soft kind of silky flowy material. That's what it looks like up close. Flows out towards the bottom. Also has the pockets. I did size down 1, and then it ties in the back. In this multicolor, kind of looks like a watercolor camo. They also have solid black. There's this new burgundy floral. There's a blue floral. And on sale for $6.14. Drawstring tees or tanks from No Boundaries. So these have that higher neckline, the graphic. It's fitted through the body with this little drawstring. They're all red, white, and blue theme. So they have Freedom Forever. There's Custom Racing, the skull, and then that skull. And these are on sale for $4.40. Is from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, that higher scoop neckline. It's sleeveless, midi length with the little slits on the side. That seam kind of fit through the back. In the peach also comes in burgundy. There's blue, and then how pretty is this multicolored pink? And on sale for $6.98. Crochet pieces from No Boundaries. So we saw this neutrals combo. Now it comes in the multicolor. Has a thicker strap, adjustable strap, that V neckline. There's padded cups. It looks like they are removable, and then it's squared in the back. Shorts have that elastic waistband, drawstring. They're relaxed fit with the dolphin hem. They are lined on the inside. This multicolor is so pretty, and the 2 pieces are on sale for $8.70. Also have in the pajama section these new cargo sweatpants from No Boundaries. So these look like they're a high rise. They're soft fleece, side pocket. They flew off the shelves. They're wide leg, and then that same fit through the back. They are going to be on sale for $8. To go with the sweatpants, they have these little crop tees also from No Boundaries. So these have that scoop neckline. It's a cap sleeve, shorter through the front, in the pink. They also have the black with the flower and Stay Dreaming or Busy Dreaming in the purple. And these tees are going to be on sale for $6.76. They also have a new little tank and short set from No Boundaries. So this has a thin strap. It's pointel, just like the nightgowns we saw in the last video. How cute is a little rosette on the shorts? And then it has the lettuce trim. The 2 on sale for $8.08. We have black, and then also the teal. And the tee also comes in that green floral. And the little bee loafers, it says Happy Bee, or Be Happy probably. And these are from Sea Wonder. But I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.